I know y'all can see this from back there.
Transition to Healthy Self here. In today's video, I am doing a defined twist out using Tgin. Thank God it's natural. I'm starting with their moisture rich sulfate free shampoo. I absolutely love how this stuff feels and smells in my hair. Next, I'm going to be going in with their green tea leave-in conditioner. Now, you guys know I'm all about leave-in conditioners, especially with spring coming and the summer coming. It slips right through my hair so easily using my Things for Natural hair detangling brush. Next, I'm going to go in with the daily moisturizer, and this is what I'm going to use to set my twist out. Now, I was a little nervous in the beginning, but guys, wait till you see the results. You are not going to believe it. I've never just done a twist out with just a moisturizer. So this moisturizer not only smells like it's God sent, it's all natural and it feels amazing. It's not thick, it's not greasy, it's not oily, it's just perfect. So a right amount of combination. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up so you guys can see. I'm just doing a basic twist out. Two-strand twist, excuse me. And this is what I have. So I have about, I don't know, maybe 15 to 20 twists. And I'm going to let it sit for 2 days. All right, so it is day 2 or day 3. And I'm going to be using a light olive oil to go ahead and put throughout my hair. So that way I can remove my two-strand twists very easily. Which I don't have any doubt that I will be able to do this even without the oil. And I say that because the product felt so good. I mean, it's just a moisturizer, but my hair is fully saturated. And just watch this. Watch as I just unravel this so easily. It's super defined. And I'm just going to separate them maybe once or twice per side. I don't want to separate it too much because I know as the week goes on, my hair is going to get bigger. So I don't want to play around too much with it right now. But as you can see, when I unravel it, just the 2-strand, it's super, super defined. This has to be my best twist out yet.
This definition got me over here literally about to shout. Like, look. I mean, y'all take a look at the back because obviously I can't see the back, but I'm getting finger happy. Y'all, I know y'all can see this from back there. Y'all can see that. So yeah. Really excited about these results. Let me know what you think. Have you ever used this company before? Have you ever used their line of products? I'm really excited. This is definitely a redo. Maybe I'll do a braid out. I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know. All right, guys. So if you like this video, let me get my fingers on my hair. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 followers. So if you guys can help me get there, again, 500 followers, definitely subscribe to the channel. It's great for me because that tells me you guys like what I'm putting out. Also, don't forget to check out the information about the products. That's going to be down in the description box. Be well, be happy, be blessed. Bye.